Good day and hello. This is Matthew Randazzo. This is 217 Top Trades. So today is my 8th week of being here with you, doing all the indexes, and that is a great sign. Like I said, we have been off all-time highs, and now we're coming off at the little bit of the lows, around the 100-day moving average lows here. So it is a little worrying. And today is 10/11 Monday, and we did go from green to red, which is not a very good sign. Going from red to green is always good, but green to red is not very pretty, and it wasn't very pretty for all the indexes. For Fang, that was leading down pretty much today. Facebook was down 1.3, and Amazon was down 1.2. Everything else, Apple, Netflix, and Google, they were roughly flat but negative. So that's that. And by 10 o'clock Eastern time, 9 o'clock Central time here, we were about 0.49 up for the Nasdaq. Excuse me, no, 0.48 for the Nasdaq, and the S&P was at 0.46 up, and the Dow was up 0.49, and the Russell was up 0.69. So that's where we were to this morning, and then we kind of flushed to red, like I said. So we'll get into that. But anyways, what was moving today? Tesla, it wanted 800 but fell back down to 791. It was up 0.81, so it outperformed just a tad. So you have to look out for the outperformers and the underperformers of these markets, and that will tell you correlation and which ones are strong. But BABA, it also rose 1.5 today, up to 163.9. Affirm, it hit all-time highs around 146, and it fell back down to 135, minus 4.3%, which is huge for Affirm. SoFi, it rose 13% today, up to 18.39, or up $2. And then coin also, with Bitcoin moving up, it also rose 3%, up to 256, up $8. Home Depot and Lowe's, they are near all-time highs right now, and Lowe's, it did 0.79, but it wanted a little bit more. Like I said, they're all at all-time highs. It went up 2.6 today. $2.6, excuse me. And Oracle, it's at all-time highs as well, and it went up to 0.95 today, outperformed the market. And Southwest, it had a bad day. Supposedly, it's down 4% today, down to 51. And Net, Cloudflare, it went up 3.3% today, up to 144. Bros, it got initiated coverage, and by a couple banks in at 46 price target, and it's up to 49. It went up 6.3 dollars, up 14%. So that's that. In crypto news, like I did say, crypto has been roughing it here at its high since May. It's at 57,081, up 1%. Ethereum took a hit, down 3.3% today at 3,437, and ADA is at 2.09, down 5. Solana is down 4.7. Avalanche is down 9.3 at 141 and 52, and Sheeb is at down 3.4, down to 2.8. What else is moving in commodities world? Gold stayed flat at 1754, along with silver at 22.4, copper at 4.3. Oils did want more today, but they didn't. They didn't go up there as much. They went up to hit 82 for WTI, and Brent hit up to around 85 before falling back to 80 and 83. So they're roughly flat. I feel like they have extended their gains more than they should, and what's happening right now is exacerbating that. So we have to just look out for that. But anyways, nat gas is at 5.2, wheat's at 7.3, corn's at 5.3, soybeans at 12.2, coffee is up to 2, cotton's up 1.1, which is roughing on its highs. Cattle's at 1.25, hogs at 0.89, aluminum's up at highs at 3,071 a ton, and palladium, it's down 2.4%, down to 2,067. Like I did say though, we did have a pretty far round trip today. We went from good green up like 100 some points for the Dow, and then we went straight negative, nosedive negative. So I kind of put here The Dow today, it was at 34,471, or down 0.79 points, or down 275 points, and it was round trip, it was down 444 points. So that's you got to look out for that for like the next day. Those levels do come into play, so we have to look out for those. The S&P is at 4,356, or down 0.79%, and it's down 34 points, or down 54 points from its green highs. And Nasdaq, it's down 14,700, down 0.81 points. So it was leader down, and it went from 120 points up, or I mean, excuse me, it was like I can't remember exactly how much it was up, but it went from 120 where it's finished to 191. So it flipped the 191 points is what I'm saying. And the Russell 2000 small caps, it went to 2,221, or down 0.6, and it was at 0.13. It finished down or 28 points from its highs. What else did move? The VIX, it kind of popped up a little bit, up to 20.2, or up 2.6%. And then the UVXY, it went up 2% to 21, but in the pre-market, it is down to 2.8%. So just look for a little correlation there between the markets. And that is it for today. I hope you guys are with me tomorrow, Tuesday, the 12th. And this is Matthew and Dazzler. This is 217 Top Trades. Goodbye.